My new Submariner, the green KERMIT ceramic. Absolutely beautiful. It is beautiful. You gotta. My new Rolex. Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury. ArchieLuxury from the ArchieLuxury channel, the Paul Pluta channel, and ArchieLuxury corporate. Guys, keep watching, keep watching. I need the viewers. I need the viewers, I need the subs, I need it. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Tell your friends, whether you like them or hate them. Just tell them anyhow. ArchieLuxury on YouTube. Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury. ArchieLuxury, and today guys, I got a bit of an unboxing to do. This is the new Rolex Submariner 41mm KERMIT. That's right. Interestingly, this here is a complete unboxing I'm presenting to the channel. Let's have a look. I've been chewing my nails in anticipation. Let's have a look. So, they're using the standard Rolex Oyster box that we saw before this launch, and it's this is this is the big one, the Rolex. Nothing here out of the ordinary. This is the same sort of box you'd get with a Datejust, and presto, let's have a look here. What do we have here? We've got a beautiful Rolex Submariner. Here we go, standard. This is the new type of booklets, and you got the hang tags, and I've just got to hide the price. And I got to tell you, this is a beautiful watch. To see this watch in real life is absolutely amazing, and I've got to tell you, they've hit this one out of the ballpark. The size, the proportions, it is absolutely perfect. This is the perfect Submariner, and I've got to be 100% honest with you. This is it. This is it. This is the perfect size, perfect bracelet. It's got the micro adjustments, the glide lock there, you can adjust. It's got everything about this watch is modern Rolex. It's modern Rolex at its finest. That's right guys, this is it. I've got to tell you, I'm not normally so impressed with launches, but this is it. This is absolutely perfect Submariner. The perfect Submariner for a perfect Rolex enthusiast to have. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a gorgeous incarnation, and I gotta say guys, if you can get your hands on one of these, grab it with both hands. It is perfect, absolutely perfect. It's I gotta tell you guys, I haven't seen a Rolex Submariner as good as this. The fit and the feel, the size is absolutely perfect. So I gotta say guys, this is an absolutely perfect sub. I so wish it was mine. Unfortunately, I was just able to film it and make the vid. It was unfortunately only mine for a small period of time, but I tell you what, it's reinvigorated my lust for a Rolex. That's right, guys, this is it. I would really love one of these, and my birthday is actually the 23rd of October. So, yeah, get your presents in now. I would love one of these Rollies, the new Submariner 41mm. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. It proportions everything about this watch. Super duper. My new Submariner. New for this moment in time. It's beautiful. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Who do I recommend for watches in Brisbane and Sydney? Vintage Watch Co. That's correct. Vintage Watch Co. in Brisbane Arcade in Brisbane and the Strand Arcade in Sydney. Vintage Watch Co. Brisbane and Sydney. Ronnie, I've known him since the late 90s. Ronnie is a top bloke. Luke is a great guy. Vintage Watch Co. That is who I recommend in Australia. Check out Vintage Watch Co. and the guys' amazing range of watches. They also do service and repairs. Vintage Watch Co. That is where the pontiff goes. You know, some of my Pateks came from Vintage Watch Co. That's right, guys. Vintage Watch Co. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW.